We're back! Hey guys, it's us again. Took a bit of a hiatus because of the holidays and such, but we are back performing your requested songs. If you don't remember somehow, or if you haven't heard before, we are raising money to do the 2017 Tour de Cure bike ride. It's a charity ride for the American Diabetes Association that's coming up this summer. And how it works is you can go to our GoFundMe page at www.gofundme.com/diasweeties. That's DIASWEETIES. And there you can donate to this cause and see a lot of incentives that we have for our wonderful donors there, including these sweet serenades, which are songs of your choice. If you haven't already, follow us on social media, especially Instagram. It's at covers4acause. And every now and then we post funny pictures and videos and sneak peeks, so go check that out.
This next song that we have prepared is for Vicky, and Vicky is very excited to hear a cover of Does Your Chewing Gum Lose Its Flavor on the Bedpost Overnight. So we hope that you enjoy our first video back, and we can't wait to do some more songs. So just let us know if there's something you'd like to hear, and we'd be happy to do it. So here it goes.
Oh me, oh my, oh you, whatever shall I do? Hallelujah, the question is peculiar. I give a lot of dough, if only I could know. The answer to my question, is it yes or is it no? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If your mother says don't chew it, do you swallow it in spite? Can you catch it on your tonsils? Can you hear it left or right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? Here comes the blushing bride, the groom is by her side. Up to the altar, just as steady as Gibraltar, the groom has got the ring, and it's such a pretty thing. And as he slips it on her finger, the choir begins to sing. Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If your mother says don't chew it, do you swallow it in spite? Can you catch it on your tonsils? Can you hear the laughter right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? Now the nation rise as one to send their wanted son up to the White House, yes, the nation's only White House, to voice their discontent unto the president. The bonnie burning question which has swept this continent. Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? If your mother says don't chew it, do you swallow it in spite? Can you catch it on your tonsils? Can you hear the laughter right? Does your chewing gum lose its flavor on the bedpost overnight? On the bedpost overnight.
What a terrible laugh. We're keeping it.
So you may remember a few weeks ago David posted a picture saying that we had a phantom bit up our sleeve, and we thought we still owed that to you. So to help out, we have a chicken ocarina here, affectionately known as the Chickarina, and David will serenade you with some phantom songs in a book that came with the Chickarina, Songs of Stage and Screen. So here we are, ready to go.
It's gonna sound great. Oh yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. And another. Oh. I won't subject you to any more.
Hi, my name's Katrina. The boys from the boys, but you can't take the boys from the boys.